Now, I trust you guys, just like I trust my race team, and I trust your Lexus genuine parts. So let's check it all. Whether it's race day or your daily drive, every system matters. That's why your Lexus dealer performs a multi-point inspection. It helps catch issues before they become problems. From tire tread to brake wear, battery life to fluid levels, Lexus trained technicians inspect it all, then report their findings. And when service is needed, they use only genuine Lexus parts, which are precision engineered for your vehicle. Proper maintenance equals excellent performance. Visit your local Lexus dealer for all your vehicle needs. All systems go. I like it.